I was on my way to going blind. I didn't want to be broke and an alcoholic like a lot of other people in my family were. I was scared out of my mind, but then I found there was a secret recipe to breaking through. The breakthrough secret is giving and sharing with other people. We had people that worked at the front desk who had never been on a plane flight before in their life. And when you put these things larger than yourself, my fears from 1997 were overcome when I thought of serving and giving to other people and be an example of possibility. And this is exactly what I envisioned a decade before it actually happened. So what's your tangible, actionable takeaway? When you're scared, frightened, overwhelmed, stuck in inertia, cortisol filled, what you can do to break through is this. Later today or tomorrow morning, think of something you want to do for other people. Maybe it's a trip like Grand Cayman, maybe it's to buy a home or a car, or give some money to somebody that you love, whatever it is. Think of that, and every time, write it down, and every time that you feel fear, connect back to that larger why to overcome the fear because you're serving someone or something larger than yourself.